Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what have we got for you today? Hey, well, again, for you regular viewers, you would have seen this pen here in a box. Look at that. Actually, not just a pen, but it's a pen set. And here's that pen set in question. As it says on the box, it's a Majestic pen, or in this case, set. And it comes in this nice box. It's actually like a suede material. It's very nice indeed, but as it says, a Majestic pen set. Okay, let's open it up, and as you saw before, there we have it. A gorgeous fountain pen and pencil set. So let's take them out of the box. Little bit of foxing you can see here and there, but hey ho, that's expected from this vintage set. Now, let's show you the pencil first of all. The pencil in length is 119 millimeters in length, and you can see it comes in this gorgeous sort of iridescent blue, this sort of marbling, lovely condition, and as it says in the description, it's a Majestic pencil. You can see it's got the standard sort of cone to the end there. It's got this lovely decorative band. As you can see, the clip there has the word Majestic, and it's got this sort of, like a cigar shaped end to the pencil. And it's actually, there we go, you can see the lead coming out of the pencil there. So it has lead and it's in working order. Absolutely gorgeous. The colour of this pen is absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. And if you look, it actually has these, it looks like black stripes running the length, but absolutely beautiful. I wish they made pens in this material and in this colour sort of today. And here's the fountain pen, slightly shorter in that the length of the pen is 116 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's quite a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. And as you can see, in this particular case, it's got this sort of cigar end to the top, more sort of rounded to the bottom, and you can see it's a lever pen. And once again, this gorgeous colour, as you can see there, this iridescent blues and dark blues, absolutely lovely. Once again, this lovely cap band you can see there, quite a large cap band. And again, we've got the Majestic name to the clip there in lovely condition. Unfortunately, I don't know too much about this particular pen manufacturer, Majestic. I think, well, I read somewhere they're made by the Majestic Pen Company from Chicago in USA, who were making pens, I don't know, maybe early 1900s. I've also read that originally the name of the company was actually J. Harris and Company of New York. And I believe in the 1930s, they changed their name to the Majestic Pen Company. Okay, so, Harris and Company from New York. I believe the Majestic Pen Company, I've seen them where they've got Chicago on the barrel imprints. Unfortunately, this pen has nothing on the pen or the pencil. There's no barrel imprint as such. But that's all I know about Majestic or Majestic Pen Company. I'm not very sort of up on American made pens. If anybody else can give us further details, we all like to learn something new, so don't be shy, leave a comment down below, and if you know a little bit more, let us know. Also, trying to do a little bit of homework. I have actually seen these Majestic pens in different configurations, different colours. So like most pen manufacturers, I assume they made numerous different pens. Okay, but this one, I think the main thing about this one is this stunning, well, as I said, I think it's like an iridescent sort of sparkling blue colour. It's absolutely beautiful. Now this particular pen, it's actually, well, the set has actually been reserved by a viewer, and it's took me a little while because I've been very busy, but it's actually done now, and this one will be in the post tomorrow morning to the new owner. Okay, now let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles, show you how gorgeous the pen is. Now, when I actually took the pen, well, when I was ready to restore it, when I took the pen out, it looked as if it just had a black section. Once I disassembled it, cleaned everything thoroughly, look at that. It came out with this lovely ink view window. So it's lovely and clean now. And when I actually took it, well, when I disassembled it, the sack inside had actually perished. And as I was removing the perished sack, the J-bar actually popped out as well. And that was broken, unfortunately. But what I did, I purchased a couple of these J-bars here. This is the sort of the modern version. There we go. When the lever presses down, it sort of presses against the sack like that. So what I've actually done, installed, not this particular one, as you can see, this is too long. The one I've installed was the 45mm, which was the correct one for this pen. But this is the exact same J-bar, but the 45mm is the correct size for this particular pen. Okay, so there's the section, there's the ink view, there's the nib. It's got a lovely nib, and it reads Majestic, well, 14 karat deluxe. Okay, so it's got the correct Majestic nib, as you can see, in lovely condition. There's the feed, a sort of ladder feed of that particular period. Everything has been cleaned. It's in beautiful, beautiful condition, ready for the new owner. Although it's a small pen, even with my large hands, okay, I can still write with it, but yeah, I would say it's a pen for somebody with smaller hands. Now, because I've put a brand new sack in it, because everything is clean, as you can see with the ink view there, I'm not going to fill the pen, but let's see how the nib actually writes. So what I'm going to do is dip it, and let's see how it writes. So what we've got is a Majestic fountain pen and pencil made in USA, and this one I believe was made around the 1940s along with the pencil. It's writing very nicely indeed. No flex to the nib, but writing, I would say, with a fine line. But as you can see there, a lovely, lovely writer. So what we'll do, we'll just clean that nib once we've done this video. So that's the fountain pen writing with a lovely fine line. The pencil. Okay, let's get some lead out of the pencil. And here we have it. We've got a Majestic pencil. Also, I would say made in USA. And as you can clearly see, also in full working order. Let's retract that back again. So there's a writing sample, the pen's writing with a fine line, the pencil in working order with lead. So there we have it. A gorgeous, a beautiful colour. This is a Majestic fountain pen and pencil made in USA around about, yeah, I'm saying around about, yeah, 1940s. I forgot then. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I've enjoyed showing them to you people. I hope the pen and pen set, I hope it was worth the wait for you, Mark, and it'll be in the post to you tomorrow. But for now, don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe as well, and give the video a thumbs up. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this pen set. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.